Hello, I'm John Wheeler and welcome to my channel. I want to talk to you today once again about the Rotary Roller system from Ortur and show you a couple of pieces that I've engraved and with the use of colour. Together with, I hope you can see this one, in gold, golden engraving, done again on the Rotary Roller system. A slightly larger colour once again, and finally adding colour to a larger engraving. Don't forget, this machine can also engrave on a concave surface. Believe it, I've just lost all the video footage other than one tiny little clip of all the colouring procedure that I used on the pieces you've just seen. What I will do, I'll put on screen the procedure that I used to colour the engraving. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, I'm sorry that I wasn't in a position to show you the procedure for the colouring of the engravings. In the meantime, one final thing. If you recall, when I did the unboxing and assembly of the Rotary Roller system, the instructions I managed to get via Dropbox, which Ortur send you, or indeed they send you a Q code. A couple of people have commented that they're unable to do that, unable to get that information. So what I did, I contacted Ortur and they very kindly sent me through a PDF file, of which I've included in a link in the description of this video. So until the next video, stay safe. Thanks for watching.